What are you talking about? Horizontal baler. Unit is powered by a 10 horsepower 3-phase electric motor. Believe the unit to be an international baler. Produces a bale that's 32 by 30 up to 42 inches in length. Unit has a sensor, electronic eye here. Control panel, electric motor and hydraulic pump. Controls on the side of the panel. Doors open and closed. Hydraulic ram. There's the control lever for the hydraulic ram. We will turn it on and demonstrate the operation capacity of the platen here. You can see the end of it at the retracted position at the back side of the bale chamber.